What is going on, everybody? Tom here. Yes, coming at you all a nice warm Florida day. Luckily, we're not in quarantine yet here. I don't know if most of you all probably do already know the news, and yes, that's right. Coronavirus is basically in full swing. A lot of people now are working from home. A lot of us aren't going anywhere. Like right now for me, as you all know, I'm a college student. My classes are now online until, really, actually for the rest of the semester, not even until anywhere. Probably might even be beyond that. Luckily, I'm set to graduate. Commencement's even postponed. But since today I am working from home, I don't have to go to class, I don't really have anything going on, I decided, you know what, let's get the Mustang out that I got behind me. Let's take some photos. It's been actually a good long time since I've done a photography vlog. So, for that, I actually decided to get out a camera I haven't had out in a while. Actually, since October, the last time I used this camera, and that is my Canon AE-1. You all might remember this camera. I've done a couple of vlogs about it before. Actually, no, I think only one vlog, but either way, it's time to get it back out. I haven't used it in a long time. Let's take advantage of the beautiful weather, low gas prices, low traffic, the fact that a lot of the photo spots are going to be wide open. So for that, I'm going to be using, hopefully you all can see this on the back here, some Kodak Ultramax 400. We're going to be doing that, and I'm going to be heading to a couple different photo spots that I've actually wanted to go to for a while. One of them is a Tampa trademark. It's actually called the Tampa Postcard Mural. So that's one I've been saying I'm going to go to for a good while. Basically, if you're from Tampa, you got to take a picture of your car in front of it to prove that you live in Tampa. So we're going to head there. I'm going to head over to, actually, next to my old job. There's a nice little, wall. The very last day I worked at that job, I actually said, damn, you know, all the years I've worked here, I've never realized that would make a cool photo spot. So I'm hopefully going to head there. Hopefully, it's also a parking lot, so hopefully no one's parked there. But it shouldn't be because everybody's working from home or just not working at all right now. So, and then if there's time, I might head to another old job of mine and then go take some photos there. But I don't know if I'm going to get to that today or not. That's all up for debate. Anyway, let's load some film into this camera. Then I'll get the cold start from the Mustang. Then I'll see you all at photo spot number 1. Alright guys, pardon the traffic noises. We are in downtown Tampa after all. Tampa, which might as well be the East Coast Los Angeles. But, as y'all can see behind me, I made it. So yes, the Tampa Postcard Mural. Big truck. I don't know if y'all can hear me at all right now over the wind and also the traffic, but yes, Tampa Postcard Mural. As you can see, Tampa. It's also in the shape of a postcard, which I always thought was pretty cool. I see a lot of people take pictures of their cars right here, so finally getting to join the club. The only difference is I'm going to be doing it with film. But yes, things I really hate about downtown Tampa. Traffic, people driving, but things I really love though. Getting to make V8 noises in all the buildings. Let's give you a little back shot here. Really do love Tampa. It's actually very nice weather. This is one of the things I really do love about Tampa, is the fact that the weather is good on days like today. I'm actually really hoping all this heat starts killing the coronavirus, but save that for another vlog. Anyway, let's get the AE-1 out and let's get to taking some pictures here. Oh, cop car. Alright guys, yeah, it's nice and hot actually. Once again, I really hope the heat actually is going to kill the coronavirus, like some people were saying. I already got to put gas in the car. I was going to get some before I came and did this, but I ended up changing my mind. I'll go ahead and throw in the next photo shoot into the GPS here as I talk to you all. So yes, that was pretty cool. Found two random girls just out of nowhere. Turns out they too were into film photography, so hopefully that picture turned out really cool. I should have gotten to take it 2 times. I only took it once, so hopefully that one turned out good. I really hope so. Should get my Instagram. Yes, I'm taking. Like, could have told them, hey, ladies, I'm taking. But here's the picture. It's gonna be on Instagram. I don't mean that like, you know, have my Instagram. But anyway, cool people. Like I said, when you take photos in public like that, you find all sorts of awesome people that are also into photography. So, that being said, let's about to head out to photo spot number 2, which, as I said, is next to my old job. It was like randomly, I really think I was last week. I think I was there, or last day. I don't remember which, but I remember stopping by and saying, "That's a perfect photo spot." Anyway, pack all my stuff up, and I will see you all when I get to that photo spot. All right, we're here into this second photo spot here. Hopefully this one kind of portrays what I was attempting to do. Again, I apologize for the traffic noises in the background. Still on a busy road. Actually, I never really noticed what even this building was behind me. This is the wellness center for the local university over here. Very loud truck coming by. It's only ever when I feel like I start a video do I feel like every loud activity that could ruin a video audio happens. Hopefully y'all can see me, see what I'm going for over here. Yeah, something a little bit cool, or back to where I was standing. Yep, parking. Got some parking spots over here. It's kind of like, I think it was also kind of the outlet for this parking lot, but definitely scenic background, something different. You know, I usually do all the different buildings. I thought it looked cool, kind of some contrast with the green bushes and like the tan, the neutral colors of the building. Try and do something a little bit different than I normally do. But oh well, get the AE-1 back out and get some more pictures here. Alright guys, I got some photos here. Hopefully they all turn out good. Kind of leaving this on here for a second, let you all see how dumb I look with the GoPro in my head, but definitely just trying to experiment with different angles here, trying to get unique shots for this vlog. I'm trying to make the vlog different, because I always feel it to me like I make the same vlogs over and over again. Definitely with photography vlogs, it's a chance to do some different content, not just car shows for you all. As much as I know you all love car shows. Unfortunately, car shows look like they're gonna be canceled for a few weeks, so for now, hopefully we can do more content like this. If you haven't already, guys, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this video as I'm about to head out to hopefully what's available, another photo spot. If not, I definitely know of a couple more. But anyway, gonna head out to that photo spot. I'll see you all when I get there. Alright guys, I know I mentioned I was gonna go to my other old job. This is not it. I changed my mind. One, it's a lot further away, so it's gonna take more time to get there. Time that I don't really have today to go all the way there. And plus this spot here has been a little bit higher on the photo spot. And this isn't really like abandoned, but it looks cool. I don't know, I'm actually kind of attracted to the urban decay look. You know, you got this fabulous Mustang, and then in the background, kind of the decay. I really like the contrast, plus also again with the neutral colors, the kind of grayish green. I just think it's gonna be a really cool photo. This is what people who love film photography, this is what their photos are made of. Once again, I apologize for the traffic noise in the background. I seem to have picked all spots on very busy roads today. I thought traffic was supposed to be so much less due to the so-called pandemic, but actually doesn't look like that's a thing. In fact, I feel like traffic is honestly worse today. But oh well. Fill up this roll, and then I'll take it to go get it developed. Alright guys, picking this vlog back up about a week later, got the photos in. Now for that last clip, I don't know what happened. I thought the GoPro was recording, it turns out it recorded the car ride between the two photo spots, and then when I got it ready to film for the last photo spot, turns out I turned it off, so that's why I got no footage. Pictures still turned out pretty cool. But, anyway, did get the pictures back as well. However, slight problem. I got home and realized I had taken them all entirely on f-stop 22, as I thought the camera was in automatic mode. If anybody who's ever got experience with it, the FD lenses, one click all the way over, or actually the click all the way over to the right, or twist it to the left, whichever way, it's A for automatic. I had an f22, so I was one click off. Very dumb mistake. So actually a lot of the pictures turned out way underexposed. So the ones that actually turned out right, you might notice the shadows are very well underdeveloped. So yes, they're very deep shadows with no information in them. But oh well. You know what? At least some of them turned out decent, because unfortunately where I live here in Tampa, Florida, looks like we are going to be having not necessarily a stay home order, but definitely a big time if you don't have to go out. Highly encouraged to stay home. So the good news is I did get a photo shoot in for all this. But overall, still got a lot of usable photos, still pretty cool, even if none of them had the desired effect that I really wanted because being shot in f22. Probably when this is all said and done, I may go and retake some of these photos. I may not. I'm already looking at new photo spots, so definitely I'm going to be doing photos when I can. So yes, as a lot of you know, I am still a full-time college student, even if my classes are online, so it's kind of annoying that I had to do online classes, but this semester I'm supposed to graduate, and really, until this passes, you know, I'll have a good amount of time. I am working full-time, however. If you all see that I'm sunburnt today, it's because I am. I had to go outside all day and work, but the essential worker life, yeah, you can go with that. Until the day they tell me I'm not essential, I'm gonna have to be going into work. So, as always with these pictures, they will be on my Instagram first. So if you're not already, I'll put that up on screen. That's Car Guy Tom, and it will be in the link in the description below as well. So y'all check that out. I want to put all these pictures up before I put at least a couple of these pictures up before I post the video. But anyway, let me know in the comment section once again below what you think about all these pictures. You all want to see more photography vlogs, because I definitely enjoy making them. I enjoy getting photos for Instagram. It's something entirely different from the normal car shows and car news, and it definitely brings in new people to the channel, brings in the photography types. But anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, because photography vlogs, car news, and when we get back to it, car shows will definitely be coming. But anyway, take care, have a good day.